What are the OSHA requirements for confined spaces? Attention construction workers and safety professionals. A topic that is gaining traction is the Occupational Safety and Health Administration's requirements for confined spaces. If you are working in construction, understanding these regulations is essential for your safety and the safety of your team. Just yesterday, new guidelines were discussed that emphasize the importance of following these regulations closely. The Occupational Safety and Health Administration defines a confined space as an area that is large enough for a worker to enter and perform a task, but has limited means of entry or exit. These spaces are not designed for continuous occupancy. Some confined spaces can pose serious risks, which is why the Occupational Safety and Health Administration categorizes them as permit-required confined spaces. A space is considered permit-required if it has potential hazards like toxic atmospheres or risks of entrapment. For any construction site, employers must first identify if there are any confined spaces present. If such spaces exist, they must determine if they are permit-required. If a space is permit-required, additional safety measures are mandatory. Workers must receive training focused on confined space safety. Employers are also required to have a written program that outlines procedures for entering these spaces. This program should detail how to test the air quality, ensure the space is safe for entry, and outline emergency procedures. Before entering a permit-required confined space, the employer must test the air for harmful gases, low oxygen levels, or other hazards. Workers must wear appropriate safety gear, including air monitors and personal protective equipment. An attendant must always be present outside the confined space during entry. This individual is responsible for monitoring those inside and can call for help if an emergency arises. Only trained and authorized personnel are allowed to enter permit-required confined spaces. Clear signage must be posted to warn others about the potential dangers. It is vital that workers do not enter a confined space without the necessary permit if one is required. Construction sites can be chaotic and present unique risks. Adhering to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration's regulations is key to ensuring everyone remains safe. Training, proper equipment, and clear procedures are essential components of working safely in confined spaces.